In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use a crafting table and all about it. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and collect wood. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and go to a jungle and then simply go ahead and collect some wood. Once you've collected wood, you will simply go ahead and get these oak wood blocks right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and put them in your inventory. So there is going to be a little 4x4 crafting here in your inventory. You want to simply go ahead and put it on that and you'll get some wooden planks. Now with the wooden planks, you want to simply go ahead and put 4 of them together in your inventory, which will give you a crafting table. Now this is a crafting table right over here where there are going to be 3x3 blocks where you can actually craft a lot of different things. So for example, if you want to get tools like mine, you can simply go ahead and make sticks from these wood by just putting these wood just like that, which will give you some sticks. Now with the wood and sticks, you can simply go ahead and craft something called pickaxe. This will help you mine out the blocks better. Then you can make axes, which will help you cut down trees faster. You can make a shovel, which will simply go ahead and help you get sand and gravel faster. You can also make a hoe so you can start farming and so on and so forth. There are a lot of different things that you can craft on Minecraft, and in order to go ahead and understand everything, you will need to start playing the game. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.